Abstract Algebra, Paper 2, Question 15. If G is a group in which AB raised to m is equal to A raised to m, B raised to m for three consecutive integers m for all AB in G, then prove that G is abelian. In this question, you want to show that G is abelian. For that, you will take any two element in G and then multiply together, that is A into B. You will get AB is equal to BA. Then it will be proved that G is abelian. And you will make the use of this given fact. Because this is true for every m, for every positive integer m. And you are taking three consecutive integers. So I am taking here as m, m plus 1 and m plus 2. These are three consecutive integers I have taken to prove this abelianness. Because it is given that AB raised to m is equal to A raised to m and B raised to m, and m is integer. Now m is integer, therefore m plus 1 and m plus 2 are also integer. So same thing can be applied for m plus 1 and m plus 2. So three equations can be written down for the given expression, given equation, that is AB raised to m is equal to A raised to m into B raised to m. So these are three given equations. Now I will make use of these three equations and find out and prove that AB is equal to BA. I will start with AB raised to m plus 2. Now AB raised to m plus 2 is equal to AB raised to m plus 1 into AB. So this can be opened like this one because it is given over here. Now AB raised to m plus 1 is given to be A raised to m plus B raised to m plus 1. Here it should also be m plus 1. So here again some algebra, that is A raised to m plus 2 can be factored out. A raised to m plus 1 into m, and B raised to m plus 2 is equal to B raised to m plus 1 into B. Implies AB raised to m plus 1 is equal to B raised to m plus 1A. How it happens? B will be cancelled out by right cancellation, and A raised to m plus 1 will be cancelled out with left cancellation. So here I have pre-multiply with A raised to m on both sides, and I obtain A raised to m plus 1, B raised to m plus 1, A raised to m, B raised to m into BA. But A raised to m plus 1 into B raised to m plus can be factored out again, AB raised to into m, AB raised to m, BAB. And here A raised to m into B raised to m is nothing but AB raised to m. Again by left cancellation law, this AB raised to m will be cancelled out and AB remains to be BA. And therefore G is abelian. Thank you.